My opinion is my own. If it works for you, that is fantastic. I'm not getting paid for this yet, but even if I was, my opinion would still be my opinion and my honest opinion. Okay, we do honest reviews over here. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's me, Lydia Marie. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something new, which I haven't done in a long time because you know I've been on a no buy for June. However, I did pick up the new E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is an $8 foundation that E.L.F. just released a couple of weeks ago. I picked one up from their website. It's not quite in the stores yet. I think it's just now at Walmart, but it is on their website. And I was like, a satin foundation. Haven't worn one of those in a while. And me and E.L.F. traditionally with their complexion, all over complexion products, not so hot, but I wanted to give this $8 foundation a try. So if you want to see my first impressions and how I got this look on this new foundation, I hope you'll keep watching. Hi to my new subscribers, welcome to the beauty fam. So glad to have you here, and hi to those of you who keep coming back for more. I appreciate you as well. Let's go ahead and get into this first impressions of the new E.L.F. Satin Foundation. So while my primer sets, I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And while that settles in, let's talk about this foundation. You get a 1 ounce product in a squeeze bottle. This retails for $8 USD. It's currently only on E.L.F.'s website and at Walmart, which I kind of hate. I hate when a drugstore product is only released stagnantly on their website. You can't go into the store and look at the packaging. I hate that so much, but I'm not in marketing. I don't know the reason behind it, but let's hope it lives up to its claims. So according to E.L.F. website, you like my glasses? I got new glasses, so now I won't be stumbling over my words. This is a long-lasting, hydrating liquid foundation that delivers just right medium buildable satin coverage with a satin finish. It's long-lasting. It's infused with 1% hydrating hibiscus complex plus pomegranate, blueberry, and goji berry extracts. It's non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. It's not supposed to clog your pores. It's available in 36 shades for a wide range of skin tones, and again, it's only $8. So we're gonna dive right into this, and we're just gonna see how it looks on me. I got the shade 33, and I based this off of the E.L.F. Camo CC cream that I had before, and I think that was like 30 or 33. 33 is a medium warm shade. I'm always going to go for a warm undertone with foundations, especially if I am not sure how it's going to look. So this has a nice little consistency. I put some on my hand, and it's kind of a thick consistency. It's not runny at all. So we're just going to try this on. I also got the shade 30 because that was also a medium warm, but that was way too yellow. It was like a yellow warm undertone. So let's just try this in. I may have to get another shade. Wow, you really don't need a lot for coverage, do you? But it is blending in nicely. I may have to get another shade when I come back from vacation. But look at that. That's really nice. That's actually quite nice. All right, let's go ahead and try it on. I did not color correct at all. We're just going in, and I'm just going to tap this on. Let me see. There we go. I feel like I'm way up close. Tapping this in. Let's just see how this looks. It glides on really nicely. I do think I could go for a little bit darker, but the way the shades were set up, the darker one was described as a cool tone. So I don't know if they're doing their shade or their undertones like MAC, where MAC says it's cool, but it actually wears warm, or like House Labs does that too. I'm able to wear a cool tone in the House Labs. I'm not sure. This is why I want it in the store, so you can go and look at them beforehand. But actually, that doesn't look bad at all. And it really does just glide onto my skin. I can go a little bit more. And I'm using the BK Beauty 101 brush. Yeah, the BK Beauty 101 brush. How's that look? It actually looks like a really good shade match, to be honest. And it does have a nice satiny finish. So it's not glowy. It just looks like your skin, but not matte, which I like. I haven't worn a satin foundation in a really long time. Let's put some on this side without any color correction and see how it looks. So my right side is the one with foundation. My left side is without, and I put it around my chin. I do think that is a nice color match, especially with my forehead in the middle. I'm darker on my cheeks, but around my perimeter, I think that's a nice color match. Let me look on this side. I'm gonna go outside in the sun to make sure, but so far so good. So let me put a little bit on my hand, and we're gonna see how well this covers without any color correction, because y'all know I have this hyperpigmentation spot. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's keep blending. I'm definitely gonna need a warmer shade because I'm going on vacation in T-minus 10 days, and I plan to be very, very tan when I get back. Let's just blend this in. There's no fragrance, which is great. Okay, not bad. Since you can, oh, I'm noticing right here it's not blended at all. Let me blend that in. Since you can build this up, I'm just tapping over the parts of my face that I always need a little bit more coverage, which I will also go over with concealer. But looking here, it's actually not too bad. And the satin finish, it just looks like my skin, like a nice, almost semi-matte kind of situation. And you can see right here with my pores, so you can definitely build this up, but I always like to fix this with concealer instead of adding more foundation. That's just not my thing, and especially with mature skin, if you add more, it may settle in unless you set it really well. You guys, I think I'm gonna have to take my nose ring out. It's been really irritated for these past few weeks, and ugh, I don't like that. What I'm noticing right away, especially around here, is that you're gonna have to prep your skin really well. Even if it's a satin finish, it's not super hydrating, and I can already tell right around here. That's not a bad thing. This might be good if you're oily and you don't really mind it, but I'm used to a little, and I'm just taking a little bit of my color corrector on the back of my color corrector from Bobbi Brown and a little bit of concealer and just swirled it together on the back of my hand, and I'm just touching up in the areas where I still need a little bit of coverage, right here and right here. Yeah, and I'm just gonna pat that in, but I am noticing right about here, it's not separating at all, but it is a little bit dry right around here. It feels good though. It feels tacky without feeling sticky. This is odd, but in a good way. You know what I'm saying? It's odd, but in a good way. Let's see how well it mixes with my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. I finished my face. I used 2 of the E.L.F. blushes, the 2 pink ones, coming in pink, and I forget what this one is called, but it's like the bubblegum pink. I used that. I used my Juvia's Place Coffee Shop eyeshadow on my lids, and I showed you guys the color correction. I had to spray my face, you guys, because this is showing all of my texture, and it's not the coverage that I like. However, I can easily color correct before I apply this on my face the next time, and I will do that to see if it gives me a little bit more coverage. But what I don't like is, even before I powdered my under eye, I set my under eye with my normal Laura Mercier powder very lightly and around here, but the foundation with that powder is just like, it's showing everything. I'm not a big fan of the foundation so far. I love the color match. The color match is great, but looking in my mirror here, and it's more of a glam foundation, that I will say. It's definitely something that is giving you glam because of the satin finish, but for me, on my mature skin, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I will wear it again, and like I said, the next time did I say that already? Anyway, the next time I wear it, I'm gonna try to prep my face with something that is a little more glowy and hydrating underneath, because the Smashbox primer, it does give you that blurring effect, so it's a little bit satiny, and a satin foundation and a satin primer, I don't know, that might not do it for me. So I'm gonna try to do it with the E.L.F. Halo Glow primer. I did set my face in between with the Morphe continuous setting spray, and then at the end I gave my face a spritz with the E.L.F. Power Grip Dewy setting spray. But even that it didn't really do anything for me. So for $8, I'm not terribly out of pocket about it. The color match is good, but I'm gonna have to give it a shot and wear it with my normal accoutrement that I would wear with something with the satin foundation. So good, not great, yeah, right now, but we'll see. So thanks so much for tuning in today, guys, as I tried out my first impressions of the E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin foundation. I didn't watch any reviews on this before I got it either. I didn't, but I also wish they would put this in the stores where people shop, Target, Ulta, right now, instead of on their website, so you can go in there and kind of see for yourself. The color match was great. Again, if I continue to wear this, I'm gonna need something that's a little bit warmer once I start getting my tan, but I don't like the way it's emphasizing my texture. I don't know if it's the satin finish or if it's the primer that I use. Not sure. I'm gonna give this one more go with something a little more glowy underneath. My skin is very well hydrated. That ain't the issue. I have prepped and primed my skin really well, but I did use a smoothing and blurring primer, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it or the powder. But right now, I don't know, 6 out of 10 maybe. We'll see, but it's only $8, so I'm not really, you know, upset about it, but stay tuned. I might have another review about it once I try it again. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave your questions and comments below. Let me know if you will be picking up this E.L.F. foundation once it's in the store or online, and let me know your thoughts. As usual, all thoughts and opinions are my own. This is my honest, unbiased review about this new foundation from E.L.F. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'll see y'all back here for my next video real soon. Bye.